going to show you how to import existing tickets and tasks into OneDesk. Before importing, note in many cases it's not necessary to import your old tickets and customers unless they are being actively worked on, as this can serve to clutter your new account. Remember, OneDesk will create new tickets and customer records automatically as new emails arrive. This type of import supports CSV, MMP, and MPT files. When importing, it's not necessary to have column titles in your import file, as mapping of the column properties to appropriate fields is done easily through drop-down lists in your OneDesk. Import options are centralized under the Tools tab in the header. So to begin, click Tools on the top bar and select Import. Next, select Tickets and Tasks. Upload the CSV file you wish to import. Next, map the columns to the appropriate fields by selecting the field name from the drop-down menu. For example, my item name here will map to the name field, description to the description field, and so on. The item name is the minimum required property in order to import. Other properties are optional but include description, priority, planned work, customer first and last name, and so on. If you have data that does not easily map to the default fields, create a custom field before importing. It is important to note that if you wish to import old tickets or tasks and would like them to be assigned to the correct user as assignee or corresponding customer as requester, then ensure that you have the user or customer record created in OneDesk first. OneDesk will then link them using the email address as the key. If the user is not already added and doesn't exist in OneDesk, OneDesk will create a customer or user if an email address is included in your import file with the assignee or requester columns. When finished, click Import. You are now done importing. You may close the notification window and the import will continue in the background while you work. It may take a few minutes to complete the import if you have a large file. Note that the imported tickets and tasks will be contained in a project named after your import file. It's a good idea to import one or two records first to make sure that you have done the correct mapping and included all properties before importing all your records.